This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Canva versus Photoshop versus Illustrator to help you decide which is better for your design needs. We'll explore each platform's strengths, ideal use cases, and target audience. Understanding their core functionalities will empower you to choose the perfect tool for your projects, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. Let's dive into the details of these popular design applications. Canva is your go-to for quick and easy design, offering hundreds of thousands of templates and millions of stock photos. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface means anyone can create stunning social media posts, presentations, or flyers in minutes, even with zero design experience. While many features are free, a pro subscription unlocks even more advanced tools and content, making it incredibly versatile for everyday design tasks. Photoshop and Illustrator are the industry standards for professional design. Photoshop excels at pixel-based editing, perfect for photo manipulation, digital painting, and intricate raster graphics. Illustrator, on the other hand, is built for vector graphics, ensuring your logos and illustrations remain perfectly sharp and scalable at any size. Both require a steeper learning curve, but offer unparalleled control and precision for serious creative work. To choose the right tool, consider your project goals. If you need speed and simplicity for social media or presentations, Canva is ideal. For advanced photo editing or digital art, Photoshop is your best bet. If you're creating logos, icons, or illustrations that need to scale without losing quality, Illustrator is the clear winner. Your skill level and budget will also play a significant role in your final decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.